Welcome to Ethiopia. Here, coffee is more than just a crop, it is a symbol of uncompromising quality. In February 2025, our client in Ethiopia chose the Mission 10T Sage standard coffee bean cleaning line. After months of transit and precision installation, this processing line has now been operating steadily for over 6 months. The line remains exceptionally stable. Its advanced technology precisely removes impurities based on differences in size, gravity, and color. The superior cleaning results ensure the purity of every bean. This standard line continues to create lasting value through its high efficiency. Proven quality over time, empowering partners through technology. Do you need coffee cleaning equipment? Contact us today via WhatsApp to build your excellence. Your success is our mission.